Yeah, hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the area and scheduling part questions. What are the questions that we can resolve? So, what are the questions that the questions that we here they have mentioned? We'll discuss those questions as well. Before starting a video, if you go through my channel, I already uploaded the four videos: first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Sorry, this one is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So I have already uploaded the four videos. So today also I have uploaded the one video. Then if you still watch those particular videos, please go through those videos first and watch the complete video. In that particular video, we will go through all the things about the tool test preparation, what are the questions they will ask and all. So you can go to those videos as well, and along with that, see, in the previous video I explained about the roof modeling questions, detailing lines, wall layers, and grids, and some other parts as well. So if you till not watch the video, please go through that video and complete those videos first, then come back with this particular video. So okay, yeah, let's start today's video. So it's about the sixth video that I'm uploading about the BIM tool test preparations. Okay, so in that, here they mentioned that find out the area for the wall external 215 bwk thickness. So this kind of the wall type basically, okay, brickwork, that's the brickwork kind of the walls, the external wall it's mentioned. The thickness of the wall is 215 mm. Then we have to find out the area. So what we need a area, then how we can find out the area? See, they are clearly mentioned about the areas and scheduling. Okay, so we need to go with the schedule. Then we have to find out the thickness, wall thickness, the area of the wall. Okay, so we really don't know which is the 215 thickness of the wall. Here is a one or two, this one, yeah, this is the 215. Okay, so we have to find out this particular area, right? So using scheduling, they are clearly mentioned, and scheduling. Okay, so and we have to find out the area of the wall. Okay, not for the rooms. Okay, so how we can find out? So what we can do is we need to prepare the wall schedule for the creation, uh, find out the area. So how we can create a wall schedule? Go to view, schedule, schedule and quantities, and search wall here, or else you can find out the walls. See, it's a wall. Okay, so now what are the things we need, required? Areas, then type. So I will go with area. Then we need some type, right? This is the type. See, here we are able to find out the areas, but we need a area for the 215. So here I am applying the filters, filter type, then equals to 215. Correct. See, this is the area of the wall. Is it clear for you guys? See, see, these are the walls are not visible, correct? But still walls are present in the BIM model. So we are calculating the areas for the walls, correct? Am I clear? Should I repeat one more time? So here I will edit it in the filters. I have added a type parameter equals to what kind of equals to this wall external 215. Same thing I have added here. Okay, there are only two types of the walls. I have added 215. Then click OK. Then we are able to find out the areas of the particular walls. Yeah, if you change anything, let's say an example, if I make it as let's first we'll select this one. Okay, 22 meter square. Then if I change it into 4 meter, it will change here also. See, 11, correct? So if I did like this, 7. See, these are the one of the best thing in Revit can do. See, these are the types. Now it is changing. If you are adding any uh, wall, though it will automatically calculating here the because of the length. Okay, if I want to customize using through lengths, even you can go to come with the schedules, then here you can add a length here. Okay, add length. See here, these are the lengths. If you see this particular length having one, let me delete this one. So this is the length of around 2000, 2000 or what is this? Yeah, 2000. So if you want to calculate the uh, area for the length of 2000, so how we can do? So here, yeah, we need to customize length equals to 2000. See, am I right? So according to that, according to using these kind of the filters, you can easily find out the areas. So I hope you got my point, and these particular questions you got the clear answers. So until next video, you can go through all the previous videos once, then come back with this particular video, and you can do R&D as well. So we'll continue in the next video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, share, and support my channel. Thank you so much.